Hey, I have a second channel. Cube Compium TDX.
Hey everybody, so back in the late summer or early fall I posted a video announcing the return of 3dGameMan to YouTube. So you have a look up here, I'll put a card up here in the corner. So this is a brief overview. So 3dGameMan, Rodney Reynolds, for those in the tech enthusiast community who've been working on computers since around 2000 may know who I'm talking about. He used to run a website and do written reviews, video reviews of tech products, stuff like that. And in pretty recent years, I want to say around 2016, 2017, sometime around then, this completely stopped uploading to YouTube. But this year he got back into YouTube, not doing video reviews or like what he used to do. Now he's doing more of just like making it more of a personal channel and still doing some tech stuff here and there. But some people in the comments on that video had alerted me to an issue, and actually I noticed it myself when I was watching YouTube on my TV. I noticed when I scrolled down to my subscriptions, I had seen that 3dGameMan was apparently terminated. I was like, what? And I come over to the computer and try to pull up his channel, and it gave the generic YouTube message saying that the channel has been terminated due to either repeated or severe violations of the community guidelines, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, certainly Rodney didn't violate the community guidelines, or at least something so severe that they just shut down his channel. And turns out his channel had actually gotten hacked. Luckily, he was able to get back on YouTube. YouTube was able to recover his account and unsuspend his account. And apparently, when they reinstated his account initially, all his videos were set to private. And I mean, this man has thousands of videos going back to 2000. Well, they were uploaded to YouTube around 2005, 2006, that time period, but he has videos going back to 2000. And you imagine having to go through those things one by one and set them from private back to public. Well, apparently YouTube stepped in and helped him out and got everything situated. Because let me be honest with you, when I had seen that his account was terminated, I was like, it kind of hurt my feelings, because I was like, there's so much stuff on that channel. I mean, those old video reviews. I mean, matter of fact, this past weekend, I was still recovering from RSV that I got back before Thanksgiving. So my voice was super hoarse. So I wasn't really doing much in the way of video content, although I did shoot a few things. I binge watched a lot of his old video reviews, and to be honest, 3dGameMan channel, that's one of the inspirations that got me into doing YouTube videos in general. Back in the day, I used to do like mock reviews of like my own systems, like the Mid-Tower Deluxe or the QQ Plexi. I mean, some of the oldest videos I shot back in 2007, which were uploaded to QQ channel in late 2009 when I opened QQ channel. It's funny. I had these mock video reviews, and also I did video reviews of a few products here and there, but yeah, Rodney Reynolds, 3dGameMan, that's one of the big reasons why I got into YouTube. So, needless to say, when I had seen that his channel was shut down, I was kind of heartbroken. I was like, no, because I mean, time and time again, I just like to go to his channel, and of course, I've actually watched a few of his new videos too, but I've also gone back and watched some of the old stuff, because I mean, it's just, you know, for nostalgic reasons. I mean, it reminds me of, I mean, the 2000s were definitely an interesting time in the field of computers and technology. I mean, it's crazy how far things have come. I mean, back when Rodney started uploading videos, or excuse me, when he started doing video reviews in 2000, I mean, we were still working with Windows 98 SE and Windows 2000. I mean, Windows XP didn't come out until October 2001. It's crazy how far things have come, and I mean, just going back and looking at how innovative all these companies were, from like Thermaltake to, I mean, of course, Intel and AMD, and we can't forget about them. But I mean, just components in general. I mean, these companies were really innovative in the 2000s, and they still are today. Don't get me wrong, they still are today. But the 2000s, I mean, I got into computers. I started working on computers around 2005, 2006, and I founded, quote unquote, founded Cube Computer Company back in 2006. And needless to say, the 2000s were definitely, it's a special place in my heart, really. So those old video reviews on 3dGameMan, I mean, it's something I always, this once in a while I do like to go back and look at, because it just reminds me of when I was a teenager working on, I'm starting out with computers and stuff like that. Here I am, 31 years old. Where's time went? That's the big question. Where's all this time went? But anyways, so yeah, in case you didn't know, 3dGameMan is back up on YouTube. Thank goodness. He was able to get back. YouTube was able to get his channel back, get his videos back. So yeah, it's great. It's crazy. So I mean, I guess it just stresses the importance of being careful with with technology in general. I mean, of course, you want to make sure that your accounts are secured and stuff like that. And of course, it wasn't too long ago that I did a nice little rant about Facebook, because I mean, I've had several of my friends' accounts get hacked and completely hijacked, and the people, they were just out of luck. They couldn't get their accounts back. But anyways, this will go ahead and shoot this little video over here real quick before I go to bed. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cube Computer channel, and be sure to tick the bell. That way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cube Computer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.